So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook desktop not opening or syncing and mail not updating. So guys, if your Outlook desktop is not opening, freezing or syncing in the mail, so it is usually caused by the profile corruption, sync error or caches problem. So guys, to fix this issue guys, first of all you restart your Outlook and your computer. For restarting, simply close your Outlook and go here window icon, just click and restart your computer. Okay, then guys you move to the another step, which is guys you try to run your Outlook as a administrator. For this, simply search Outlook in your search icon. Here you simply, after search the Outlook, you choose your application. Here you simply right click on your application and run as the administrator. So it also help you to fix this issue. Then guys, check your internet connection, make sure your internet is working and your Outlook is online mode. You send and received the mail properly. Another thing is guys, you update your Outlook. So guys, outdated Outlook cause sync this issue. For updating, simply open your Microsoft application, MS Office. Then guys, go to the option of search. In the search, simply search the Outlook. After that, open this. Instead of open, it shows update. So simply click and update your application. Okay, still having the issue? Then guys, you create a new Outlook profile. So if your account is organization based, so try to create new account from your admin panel. Otherwise you simply go to the official website of microsoft.com, where you simply click on the sign in option. Here you see sign in. After that, here you check the option of create account, so just click it. Then guys, here you create your new account. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.